Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I turned my witch's hat into a candy corn wreath. It went really well with my coffee station. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree are one of these tinsel witch hats, some yellow, white, and orange deco mesh. I used 2 rolls of the yellow, one of white and one of orange, some pipe cleaners, some ribbon. Dollar Tree doesn't really have candy corn color ribbon, so that striped ticking ribbon is from Walmart. I think it was like $2. And I had some of this mesh tubing left over, so I threw that in my bow. And 2 Dollar Tree bags, because who doesn't have any empty Dollar Tree bags laying around? First thing I did was I removed all the tinsel from the hat. Normally I would paint the hat now or cut off all the little nubs, but instead I'm going to just cover it with 2 of the trash bags, the Dollar Tree bags. Just tried to make it so that you couldn't see the Dollar Tree green verbiage on the bag from the front of the hat. This way there was some, it was like covering the tinsel. Then I took the white mesh and with a pipe cleaner I attached it to the top of the hat and then folded it double and started to wrap it about halfway down the hat. And then I tied it off in the back with a pipe cleaner. Then I used that same pipe cleaner to attach the orange deco mesh, again folding it in half and then wrapping that down until I got to the brim of the hat. And then I tied it off with a pipe cleaner to the brim of the hat. So this is what the back of the hat looks like. You don't see the bag, the Dollar Tree bags at all, or the black. And this is what the front looks like. This is the only thing that I did in mass production, is I cut my pipe cleaners in half. I did this in another video, but I found the best way to have less fraying is just make one bundle at a time and make your bundles long. So my bundles are 12 inches long and I used 2 per bundle, and I basically roll them in on either end and then scrunch them in the middle and then put them together with a pipe cleaner. And then once it's together, I just kind of hold it up and make it like a little flower so that it's like more up in the air, and then I attached it to my hat. And then I repeated this one at a time. Every time I made a bundle, I added it to the hat. So here I have it now on the other side, because if you keep it away from the deco mesh, it won't stick to each other and it won't fray. So as much as you can keep it apart while you're working on the hat, the better. And then I just kept continuing adding my bundles, and this is what 1 roll of deco mesh looks like. Now I only had 2 rolls and I wasn't going to go back to the store to buy another one, but in the end it did work out well. The arrow is pointing where I left a little bit of a gap so that I could put my bow, and I used my easy bow maker and just took my ribbons and my deco mesh tubing and I made a big crazy bow. And I attached it to the hat in that portion section where I had the arrow before with the pipe cleaner. And then I felt it needed a little something on the top, so I just took a little piece of deco mesh and there's some ribbon and I added it to the top. And this is my completed candy corn hat wreath. And here it is in my little candy corn themed coffee station with all my other little projects that I made this year for my tier tray. I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.